Hello guys, welcome to Techno Salad. Road trips mean a lot of time behind the wheels. Fortunately, there are plenty of options to upgrade your ride and enhance your experience on the road by making it safer, smoother and much more enjoyable. In this video, you will see some of the ultimate car gadgets and accessories that you can purchase on Amazon and AliExpress. So keep watching. Number 1 on our list is Cobra Road Scout. Cobra Road Scout is a 2-in-1 radar detector and dash camera driver alert system. The Cobra Road Scout offers an innovative 2-in-1 driver alert solution. Designed with intelligent sensors that monitor and detect road threats, combined with a high-definition dash cam to capture unexpected movements. With intelligent long-range radar laser detection designed to scout road threats, it has the ability to lock out false alerts. A GPS database with location-based alerts including red light cameras, speed cameras and other road threats makes the Road Scout one of the best driver alert systems. Dash camera captures the road ahead with the crystal clear Full HD 1080p quality. This camera is optimized for day or night recording. Number 2 on our list is Lanmodo Car Tent. Lanmodo all-in-one car tent is easy to set up and operate with wireless remote control. With Lanmodo Car Tent, you can protect your car from heat, dust, hail and more. The tent can be used in any season. The car tent can transform into the outdoor umbrella and spacious camping tent, enriching your outdoor activities. Some of the features of Lanmodo Car Tent are 8 adjustable windproof straps to secure the car tent, strong suction cup sticks closely to the car roof without causing dent, 2-layer canopy allows wind to flow through the car tent to fix it, an anti-theft belt made of steel wires make it difficult to cut off, and without the remote control the car tent cannot be closed and be stolen. Number 3 on our list is Thule Force XD Large. The Thule Force XD Large is a great cargo box that offers the above average performance. It has a sturdy construction, sleek matte black finish and a simple mounting system. If you are looking for a carrier box that is easy to install and can transport multiple pairs of skis, then the Force is the good option that comes at a reasonable price. Requiring virtually no setup, the Force comes ready to go out of the box. Mounting took less than 5 minutes and the clamps are convenient to adjust for a range of roof rack dimensions. The Thule Force XD proved itself to be one of the most durable cargo boxes with an impressively weather-resistant design and solid construction. Number 4 on our list is Dyson V6 handheld vacuum. Dyson has come up with the solution for the car owners to with a compact and yet powerful hand vacuum complete with just the right attachments to clean every nook and cranny inside your vehicle. The V6 motor has enough juice to clean carpets inside your car and also remove dust. The V6 car and boat has the tools that will work great in an automobile. These include an extension hose and mini motorized brush. Number 5 on our list is Garmin Dashcam Mini. Garmin Dashcam Mini is a simple, compact and full of essential features. This car key size dashcam shoots in full HD through a 140-degree lens and hides neatly behind the rear view mirror. It also connects to the Garmin Drive smartphone app, which is available for iOS and Android over Wi-Fi for video transfer, and there is a dual USB port adapter in the box for taking power from your car's 12-volt socket. Number 6 on our list is RoboKey wireless car charger. RoboKey wireless charging mount delivers the optimal charging that is up to 40% faster than the other wireless car charger. Other charger detects the exact voltage and the current that your phone needs and delivers efficient charging while on the go or at home. RoboKey is a Qi certified and supports the latest Qi wireless charging version, including 7.5 watt high-speed wireless charging for the iPhones as well as 10 watt high-speed wireless charging for the Android devices. Mounting your phone is simple and easy. Simply place your phone in the mount, ensuring that your phone touches the InstaDetect sensor. The sensor triggers the robotic arms to close and hold your phone snugly. Whether you want to watch movies on your desktop or use your phone's GPS to get to your home, you can mount this wireless car charger pretty much anywhere. So those were some of the ultimate and useful car gadgets that make your driving experience smoother. Hope you find the video interesting. Please like and share the video. If you are new to our channel, then hit that red subscribe button and ring the bell icon to receive the notifications of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.